Texas Little Star 63 here. We know what this is about. The Zippo lighter. This video's on time. It is Friday. So let's open this bad boy up and test it out. Alrighty. Still has fluid. Not too bad. So we know that this thing works for at least a month, possibly longer. This will be the last video of the video every week on this. I am going to just put this aside and maybe in a couple months, 2, 3, 4, 6, I don't know. If I'm alive by then, you never know. Only God knows. So we will sit there and put this back in here. Will not be touched. I'm going to just leave it. And like I said, back in a few months, we will test it out. Not filling it, not changing the wicks, not changing the flints, nothing. Just letting it be. So, like the saying is, I'll catch you on the next one.